General Atomics revealed a major new drone initiative specifically designed to meet the evolving defense needs of European militaries. The project, rooted in the design of the U.S. Air Force's YFQ 42A prototype, will be developed through a strategic U.S. German collaboration. American drone manufacturer General Atomics Aeronautical Systems Incorporated, GA-ASI, and its German counterpart General Atomics Aerotech Systems GmbH, GA-ATS, based in Oberpfaffenhofen, will co-produce the advanced unmanned aircraft to strengthen NATO's air combat capabilities. Production of the European variant will take place in Germany, where the aircraft will be customized to include mission systems sourced and developed on the continent. The aim is to provide NATO-aligned forces with a flexible, advanced drone platform that supports independent European operations while maintaining full interoperability with Allied airpower. The design is based on the YFQ 42A, itself an evolution of the XQ-67A off-board sensing station, a drone first flown in early 2024 under the U.S. Air Force's low-cost autonomous aircraft program. Unlike its predecessor, which focused on reconnaissance and electronic support, the YFQ 42A has been engineered for direct combat roles, able to operate solo or in tandem with manned aircraft in contested environments. Built on the XQ-67A's digital foundation, General Atomics compressed the development timeline to under 18 months using modular architecture, virtual prototyping, and streamlined manufacturing. Currently, a full-scale YFQ 42A test aircraft is undergoing integration and system-level testing in San Diego. Structural work is complete, and the aircraft is now in propulsion trials, mission software tuning, and final validations of its autonomous systems. Its first flight is slated for late summer 2025 and will signal a breakthrough in the rapid fielding of AI-enabled combat drones. Designed to be low-cost and replaceable but still highly capable, the YFQ 42A offers stealth features, hardened data links, and the ability to perform varied mission profiles, ranging from air dominance and precision strikes to surveillance and jamming. These features are being adapted into a European configuration that will use local sensors, payloads, and weapons tailored to national preferences and NATO standards. GA-ATS, with decades of aerospace experience, including maintenance of the Bundeswehr's NH-90 helicopters and production of the Dornier 228, will serve as the hub for European production, support, and sustainment. This not only gives European forces greater control over their systems but also bolsters regional defense industries and supply chains. General Atomics CEO Lyndon Blue highlighted the significance of the U.S. German partnership, pointing to the company's global success with more than 1,200 drones delivered and nearly 9 million cumulative flight hours across platforms like the Predator, Reaper, Avenger, and XQ-67A. The YFQ 42A initiative draws from this legacy, offering European partners a scalable, field-ready unmanned system with proven performance and affordability. More broadly, the European CCA effort supports transatlantic defense priorities, including manned-unmanned teaming, distributed combat air operations, and building mass through low-cost autonomous systems. The drone's open design and modularity allow for future upgrades and mission adaptations, ensuring long-term relevance in multi-domain conflict scenarios. Ultimately, this move signals Europe's entrance into the next era of air combat, as unmanned systems take on greater operational roles. Nations worldwide, from the US and UK to Australia, Japan, and India, are rapidly advancing similar projects. With flight testing imminent, the YFQ 42A platform positions General Atomics and its allies at the forefront of autonomous warfare innovation.